U.S. Army's future high-speed helicopter, S-97 Raider aircraft of future. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider light tactical prototype helicopter recently flew faster than 200 knots at the Sikorsky Development Flight Center, Lockheed Martin has announced. Raider, developed by Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, is based on the company's proven X-2 technology, enabling speeds twice that of conventional helicopters. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider flight test program is exceeding expectations, demonstrating Raider's revolutionary speed, maneuverability and agility, said Tim Millier, Sikorsky Director, Future Vertical Lift Light. X-2 technology represents a suite of technologies needed for the future fight, enabling the warfighter to engage in high-intensity conflict anytime, anywhere as a member of a complex, multi-domain team. Sikorsky continues to demonstrate the application of its X-2 technology as the company prepares its proposal for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft, FARA, competition, driving forward the Army's efforts to revolutionize its aircraft fleet as part of what is known as Future Vertical Lift. Having two rotor discs spinning in opposite directions balances that effect and allows for much higher top speeds. Because the counter-rotating rotors also negate the torque typically generated on the fuselage by a single rotor, there's no need for a conventional rear tail rotor. So in the Raider, the engineers replaced the side-facing tail rotor with a rear-facing propeller. That receives most of the power during forward flight, with the two main rotors whirling just fast enough to maintain lift, much like a wing. Conversely, the rear prop is nearly unpowered in low-speed maneuvering while the rotors are given all the power they need. They're able to control the helicopter completely, even if the rear propeller is damaged or destroyed. Speed, however, is only part of the potential appeal to military users. Another big benefit of the design is maneuverability. Test pilot Fell credits the aircraft's flight capabilities to the rigidity of the rotor blades. In other helicopters there's a lag between putting the input in and getting the aerodynamic response, he says. But with the rigid rotor it's pretty instantaneous. This maneuverability helps with the low-altitude, high-speed flight that Van Buiten says is crucial. Raider incorporates the latest advances in fly-by-wire flight controls, vehicle management systems and systems integration. The suite of X-2 technologies enables the aircraft to operate at high speeds while maintaining the low-speed handling qualities and maneuverability of conventional single-main rotor helicopters. It's exciting to achieve these high speeds with X-2 technology, said Sikorsky experimental test pilot Bill Fell, a retired U.S. Army pilot. It's undeniably important for the warfighter to get to the mission fast. And once they get there, X-2 technology provides the critical handling qualities that make the aircraft survivable, lethal and agile. Sikorsky X-2 technology changes the way we fly and fight. We can get there fast, be more effective while on the scene, and we can get out fast. Sikorsky's X-2 technology at the heart of the Raider helicopter is scalable to a variety of military missions including light assault, light attack, armed reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue and unmanned applications. The development of X-2 technology and the Raider program has been funded entirely by significant investments by Sikorsky, Lockheed Martin and industry partners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.